Good morning, children. Welcome back. Now, today we will be dealing with the topic removal of weeds. As we have already studied in our previous sessions, different steps of agricultural practices. The last step, do you remember what we have studied? Yes, we have studied irrigation. Now come to the after irrigation, the plant. What do the plant needs? The field needs some clearing of unwanted plants. So today we will be dealing with the topic removal of weeds. Now, the first thing that should come into your mind while reading this topic, removal of weeds, is the word weeds. What is a weed? What are weeds? The weeds are those unwanted plants that grow along with the crop plants and they grow by themselves. The farmers don't used to sow the seeds of them. Still they grow along with the crop plant and they cause damage to the crop plants. So these unwanted, uncultivated plants which grow along with the crop plants are called as weeds. Now, weeding, the removal so obviously they need to be removed from the field. So the process of removing of weeds from the field is called as weeding. Now, the weeding can be done by various methods. First of all, the first and very easy method is by the removal of weeds by plucking them out. So, number one is either by using our hands. By plucking the seeds manually, plucking the weeds manually from this field can be done. But what happens if the weeds are more in the crop field? Then it will take quite a long time to remove the weeds manually from the field. So, the next is trowel. A trowel is a khurpi. In Hindi you call it a khurpi. So, this khurpi or a trowel can be used to remove the weeds. It is having a handle and an iron. It's having an iron piece-like structure which can be digged to remove the weeds from the field. Now, the third one is harrow. A harrow is a tractor-driven, similar to trowel, but it is having many trowels at the same time. So, this can be used for the removal of weeds and it is quite time-efficient method. Now, other than that, the removal of weeds, weedicides can also be used. Now, weedicides. What are weedicides? You must have heard the word insecticide, weedicide, pesticides, all these sides. So, these weedicides are those substances which can be used in order to kill the weeds, in order to kill the plant, weed plant. So, this weedicides like 2,4-D, Metachlor, all these weedicides can be sprayed on the field and they can kill or stop the growth of the weeds. And one more important thing you need to remember about weedicides is they hardly harm the crop plants. They only harm they attack only the weeds, the unwanted plants that are growing in the field. And you know weeds are very harmful because they release some toxins. Now toxin, what is toxin? A poisonous thing. A poisonous thing which is released by the weeds and that are very harmful to the crop plants. They stop the growth of the crop plants and these toxins, if released in large quantity, can even kill the crop plants. So these weeds needs to be removed. So these weeds can be removed by weedicides. Now weedicides are quite harmful also for the human beings, those who are spraying the weeds. So we need to take certain precautions. I'll come to that later. First, let us study about herbicides also. Herbicides are less dangerous as they are the products which can be obtained by the plants only. It is the extracts of the plants which are used in killing the weeds. So they are not harmful to the crop plants also and to the one who is spraying them also. So nowadays herbicides are widely used. Now what precautions we need to take while spraying weedicides in the field? Now the precautions that we need to take, as they are harmful, there are harmful chemical substances like 2,4-D, Metachlor. They are harmful for the human beings. They can cause damage to the eye, they can cause damage to the skin, they can cause damage to the hair. So the farmer have to wear a full body suit while using it and cover the mouth either by handkerchief or anything, a cloth. They can use a cotton cloth to cover the mouth and they should also wear a cap to cover their head also. And they should wear a spec also in order to protect their eyes. Then only they should spray the weedicides on the field. So the weedicides or herbicides are actually the chemical materials which can be used to kill the weeds. So I hope you all have understood the whole topic, the removal of weeds, as it is very important to remove the weed from the crop field, because they compete with the crop plant. In case of sunlight, the nutrients, the space, everything, they compete with the crop plants, and ultimately the growth and the produce is affected. So in order to stop this from happening, the farmer need to remove the weeds from the crop field. So thank you so much.
Protection from weeds. In the crop plant, along with desired crops, many other undesirable plants grow naturally. In the fields, all plants other than crop plants are called weeds. Weeds consume water, nutrients, space, and light. Unavailability of all these factors affect the growth of crops. In addition to this, some weeds also release toxins. They are poisonous substances which damage the crop plants and are hazardous to animal and human beings both. Therefore, weeds must be removed from the crop plants. The removal of weeds from crop plants is called weeding. Weeding must be done before flowering of the crop plants. There are many ways to remove the weeds or control their growth. Tilling before sowing helps to uproot and kill the weeds. Manual removal of weed is done by trowel. In Hindi, it is called as khurpi, or even a seed drill can also be used. Some chemicals called weedicides, they are diluted to required extent and are sprayed with the help of sprayer to control the weeds. For example, 2,4-D and metachlor. These chemicals are toxic to human body also. So, they must be handled very carefully. Before spraying, nose and mouth must be covered with clean cloth or a mask.